This was my first attempt to make pan-fried tofu. So, due to the current pandemic situation, I hadn't wanted to go shopping just for the ingredients that I needed. So I did have spring onions, but I didn't have sake, but I did have some rice wine in the cupboard, and it was alcoholic, so therefore I decided it was maybe a similar product. And then the only soy sauce I had was dark soy, so I hoped that was okay. And then I did have mirin. And then I had the tofu that I had pre-prepared by soaking it in a kitchen towel to reduce the amount of liquid in the tofu. So the first thing that you do is you prepare the marinade with 4 tablespoons of each of the liquids. Then you add your spring onions and you stir it. Next you add the tofu to marinate for 15 minutes, but I'd forgotten the instruction where it says to cut it into cubes, so I had to very, very carefully cut it into cubes while it was in the marinade. So then, after marinating for 15 minutes, you take the tofu out and you just let some of the liquid soak up into another piece of kitchen towel. And then you put it into a frying pan that's on a medium heat with a little bit of butter and a little bit of oil in it. And then you cook that for between 5 and 8 minutes on each side. Then you add the marinade to the pan and cook that for about 2 minutes so that the sauce thickens up.